Live from the local station, this is Weather Authority Weekday.
Good morning and welcome to Weather Authority Weekday. We've made it to midweek and I'm so excited about it. I bet you are too. We've got a lot to talk about though, a lot going on this midweek. So first let's start with tropics because I know many of you have questions and I'm going to answer them. We have got two areas. Well, three, but Dexter is the system there up top that's turned off to the east and not an issue. The second system, the larger of the blobs there with a 50% chance development in the next 7 days, that will likely, if anything, become a tropical depression, and the Bermuda high would turn it north, as you could see from that indication there, the direction of the cone. So the deal is, should this develop into a tropical depression, there's a couple inhibiting factors to that. We've got the dry air and the Saharan dust. Both really prohibit development tropically. So we'll see if there's enough dust out there to do that and that dry air is not going anywhere. So the other development near us, I know you see that, that's going to be a low pressure system that actually develops if it does, and it'll shoot up toward the Carolinas and they're going to bring them an immense amount of rain. And eventually it'll continue to move north, bringing us some rip currents and the potential for a few little rain out there. Julington Creek, blue skies, and it looks beautiful, but it's going to get hot. We're already at 85 in Jacksonville, and as we continue to track the forecast here, we don't have anything in the way of any dangerous rain in our area yet, but could certainly see some of those showers begin to pop in this afternoon. Earlier for some of you, but primarily up in Georgia. And then by this afternoon, by about 2 o'clock, you can see Brunswick, Georgia, and then into Jacksonville, Orange Park, Palm Coast. And then as we continue to look here from about 2 to 4 o'clock, you're looking at Waycross, Jacksonville, Orange Park, McClenny, Green Cove Springs, and Palatka. Things get a little more widened out from 4 to about 8 o'clock with that rain. And then we see from 8 to 10, things clear out. But the southwest and the central part of the viewing area from about 4 to 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock is going to potentially be a problem. Today, tomorrow, and the weekend are going to have afternoon showers. Flash flood risk is certainly higher up in Georgia today, and but we do see the flash flood risk coming all the way down from Valdosta into Orange Park and over toward Mayport on the coastline. Over the next 2 days, half an inch to about 1.25 inches of rain, but factor in the next 7, 2 to about 3 inches of rain across our viewing area. So feels like temperatures today in the triple digits through and through starting later this afternoon, and they don't die down really until later this evening. So that's going to be a problem. That's unhealthy. Go to our website, news4jax.com, to understand what a heat stroke is, what heat exhaustion is, and what you can do to prevent it. High temperatures out there today in the 90s in Georgia, and as you look at the coast, you're in the 90s there as well. Get in the ocean, jump in the pool. You're going to be glad you did because it's just so hot. You're not going to have to water your garden. Mother Nature will do it for you, but there is such a thing as overwatering, and that could be a problem. So if there's any plants you might want to bring in because they've had too much to drink, don't do it. Overall, your grass is going to grow pretty quick too on days like this. 92 today, showers and storms in the afternoon. 74 tonight with more showers and storms. Tomorrow, 88 degrees. Showers and storms in the afternoon, and we'll climb to 92 by 1 o'clock today, 90 by noon. Over the next 3 days, we are going to be in the 90s, digressing back to the 80s for Thursday and Friday because this rain's really going to kind of cool us down a little bit. Cool us down. It's going to be hot, but feels like it'll still be kind of hot. But the rain is not going anywhere anytime soon. So now let's take a look at a couple of other factors in the forecast. I think it's going to be really imperative to do so because 80s and 90s are in our forecast, but it is hot. So as we continue to look, what do we have here, Caitlin? What are we going to? We're going to look. We're going to look at snapjacks from yesterday. All right, this is from St. Augustine. This was some cloud cover that formed, and these clouds are, I find clouds fascinating. Of course, I'm a meteorologist, but whoever took this picture, I'm sure did too. They look stormy, and they were. We had a lot of storms yesterday. As you look here, this is in East Arlington. This cloud, you can tell rain is just about to dump out over that area, but it's just I find that to be a beautiful sight. You hate that all that rain came out, but that is a really cool picture. So the palm trees look really cool. Whoever took that, great job. This is a look at Jack's Beach. Wow, look at that. That's very telling. Those storm clouds. You can really tell on the beach because it's so flat where the rain is already coming down, where those rain bands are, and then where it's going to come next. So yeah, this is all just wonderful. We showed you great pictures of this rainbow here in St. Augustine. This is a great snapjacks as well. If it's it's just beautiful. If it's safe to do so, please take pictures and send them to us. We love your snapjacks. And this was taken by Bruce Hamilton's wife, Christy. This was a rainbow on North Jacks Beach. So we love to see it. That's a beautiful rainbow, beautiful shot. This, though, is dangerous. This was Monday night. And this was when we had those storms that knocked a lot of the power out at the beaches on Monday night. A lot of very intense lightning. Lightning is the #1 killer in lightning strikes. I think we are the lightning strike capital. That's what I mean to say. We're the lightning strike capital in Florida. So it's been a long morning. I've been talking a lot, but I'm so happy to do it because this video is just very fascinating. So yeah, this was Monday when all that power got knocked out. So let's talk about lightning safety. I think it's going to be really crucial. Have a lightning safety plan. Postpone activities as needed. Monitor the weather. Get to a safe place. Do not use a corded phone and do not take a bath or a shower. It's very unsafe. I wrote an article on the 5 ways you can get struck by lightning. Go check it out if you get a chance. You will not regret it. So that's a look at your Weather Authority weekday. I want you to stay safe in the lightning. I want you to be careful, and I want you to know that we're here for you. If you have a question, I'm happy to answer a custom forecast even when we're off the air. Email me anytime, anywhere. All right? Any place. So I'll see you tomorrow here on Weather Authority Weekday.
See why every day more people are choosing News 4 Jax, Northeast Florida and South Georgia's #1 source for local news.